Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about doubles. Doubles is one of the most loved street foods in Trinidad and Tobago, and I posted a recipe video on it a few years ago and I got so many questions and comments, so I figured I'd do a little doubles 101 and a little history lesson on it. From what I've noticed, a lot of people enjoy doubles, but they don't know about the background and who were the innovators of doubles. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that it's educational for you. Doubles can be considered the ultimate and most loved street food in Trinidad and Tobago. With humble beginnings, Mr. Imamul Mahmoudine sold doubles from his freight bike in Princestown in 1936. Mostly consumed by hungry Indian indentured laborers on the sugarcane estate, it was considered poor people's food. Now it's a successful industry and is enjoyed by people all over the globe. Mr. Mahmoudine and Mrs. Rasselandine's innovative minds and passion for cooking created this perfection called doubles. What was a mean of income to feed their children and siblings became the most sought out street food, not only in Trinidad and Tobago but throughout the world. It started as a double with one bara, chana and some toppings or condiments, and then customers started to ask Mr. Mahmoudine to double it up, and so the name doubles was born. It consists of two fried flatbreads called baras with spicy melt-in-your-mouth chana nestled in the middle, and it's then topped with condiments such as roasted pepper, cucumber chutney, sweet sauce, mango chutney, kuchela, coconut chutney, and that's just to name a few. And you can choose the amount of pepper you want, slight, medium or heavy. Each doubles vendor offers their own unique style and taste, and it's really up to you how you like it. Either you stand there and eat it hot out of the box or you take it home and enjoy it. But there's nothing quite like standing by the doubles man and scoping out the scenes while eating a piping hot doubles with some apple jay, a red or banana solo on the side, or my preference is some fresh coconut water. Either you like your bara thick, paper thin, yellow, crispy brown, it's your preference. The chana can either be runny or thick, and there's a doubles vendor out there who caters to each and every one of our preferences. You just have to find them. My personal preference is paper thin baras with runny chana, topped with medium or heavy pepper, depending on where I buy it, and some cucumber chutney, coconut chutney, and some roast pepper. How do you like your doubles? Leave it in the comments below. Doubles can be eaten for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or it can be eaten as a snack if you're just feeling peckish. If you talk to any Trinbagonian, they'll tell you that the doubles vendor with the longest line has the best doubles. You test out that theory and let me know in the comments below. So if you'd like to learn more about the first family of doubles, head over to www.outofthedoubleskitchen.com, where you can purchase a copy of the book Out of the Doubles Kitchen. The book is a memoir of the first family of doubles and it's definitely worth reading. I'm honored that I was able to visit Dean's Doubles Depot in Santa Cruz earlier this year, and I'm also good friends with Mr. Badruddin, the author of Out of the Doubles Kitchen. Mr. Badruddin is the son of Mr. Mahmoudine and Mrs. Rasselandine, and I want to say thanks to him for sharing his family's story with the world. I felt like I had to pay tribute to the original family of doubles, because without them, my favorite street food may not have existed, and I wouldn't be a doubles glutton today. I can't even imagine my life without doubles. To the Dean family, I really appreciate your culinary contribution to Trinidad and Tobago. The Dean name will always be synonymous with doubles. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave me all your comments and questions in the comment section below. Mr. Badruddin has graciously offered to give away some autographed copies of his book to the Taste of Trini family, so I really appreciate that. All you have to do is leave me a comment below telling me why you enjoy doubles and maybe a favorite memory of eating doubles in Trinidad and Tobago, and also show some love to the Dean family as well. Let's show them the appreciation that they deserve.